Every day, people leave their home to go to work, to go to school, or just to run an errand, or maybe even going on an adventure. But every time that they do, they carry something with them that are very important to them, or carry something that they actually need for that trip. That is itself called EDC. There's a whole community of people that are interested in EDC, or as I like to call it, Life Essentials. But every people has their own unique sense of personality. The kind of items that they carry with them shows their personality or interests. So let me show you my EDC and maybe you can guess. It's kind of pretty obvious, but maybe you can guess what my interest and what my personality is. So here's my bag. This is the Bellroy Sling bag. I got this as a gift. And it's great because it's big enough, but also very small and lightweight that it is not cumbersome. This bag was gifted to me by my good friend, my best friend, my bestie, Tajmia. It was a surprise gift, actually. I did not expect her to come back from her trip to Canada recently and get me this bag. I was surprised, actually, because I was actually looking for a sling bag that I can put my camera and all my life essentials in it, but be portable enough where it's compact enough, but yet protecting my stuff. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So in the front pocket, it has my wallet, and I need my wallet to pay for things if I'm out and about, of course. And in that same pocket, I have my keys. You've probably already seen this before, and it's just, I don't know if I've shown you this. I think this is a lanyard that I got back in June at a Pins and Patches expo. I went with my sister and her boyfriend, had fun, but it was stupid hot. It was so ridiculously hot. But I had fun nonetheless. Spent a lot of money there. Got a whole bunch of the pins and stuff. And this lanyard was one of them. I don't know what that character is. I don't know what it is. Everything else, you've probably already seen it, so won't go into too much detail. So that's the front pocket. The main pouch, the main compartment is where all the fun stuff is. In here, I have my camera. Sometimes it can be my Sony a7 III camera with the f2.8 20mm ultra compact lens, which is a great lens, by the way. So super surprised by the effect that it makes on the photos that I shoot with. My next item, of course, is my AirPods. Sometimes if I'm out and about alone and I'm shooting photos, I would like to have some musical inspiration. So I carry this with me at all times, and it's great because I won't have to hear people yelling or screaming while I'm trying to focus. So this noise cancellation on these earbuds are phenomenal. Carry with me at all times, never leave home without it. Next item, this thing has saved me a lot of headache a lot of times, and it's this multi-tool from Peter McKinnon. Great multi-tool. It's a camera multi-tool. It's has such a unique mechanism. I could just fidget with this all day. And this also is definitely more essential to me. Probably need this more so than anything here if I'm carrying my camera. It is a retractable brush pen. I don't want to use my fingers or the cloth or my t-shirt to wipe off the dust because it could get scratched. So I want to be tender with my camera equipment, so this thing comes in handy. It also has on the other side a lens cleaner. I know it's very small, but this thing is coated with graphite. So if I clean my lens, it'll get rid of fingerprint marks or smudges without a hitch. This thing is amazing. Okay, next item is obviously my sunglasses. It's starting to get into fall, winter season here in California, but it's still sunny out. So definitely need some sunshades to protect your eyes. But the problem with these glasses is it's polarized. So if I'm shooting, I can't see a thing because it's polarized. It blocks out everything on an LCD screen, which is weird. So at one point I wore these and I'm trying to take a photo. I was freaking out because I thought my camera was broken. Great sunshades, very cheap. I got it at iBuy Direct. Bought this and it's already been 2 years since I got this, but it's still holding up pretty well. The main item that I need to have with me, I can leave home without any of these things other than my car and my wallet, car keys and my wallet. I need to have with me at all times my phone. You might be thinking this is an iPhone 13 Pro. It's not. It's a recently upgraded iPhone 14 Pro. As you can see, the dynamic island. Great phone. I'm not so amazed at the performance of it really, but more so in the stabilization department when I'm shooting videos. This thing was amazing. I was shooting a video at an event and I was rocking back and forth because there was music playing. It was great music, great vibes, great atmosphere. I was rocking back and forth with my camera. I went back into that video footage and I found out that video was literally looked like it was on a tripod. It wasn't moving, even though with all the excessive rocking back and forth, it was rock solid. I was so blown away by the stabilization on this thing. I can't speak so much on the 48 megapixel Pro RAW resolution. Haven't fully tested that out to really give my opinion on it. Then again, I'm not a tech reviewer, so. But other than that, love this phone. I'm so stuck in the Apple ecosystem that I can't change to anything else. And on the back of it is the Moft origami wallet slash stand. This thing is pretty versatile. I have it with me. I have multiple colors of these actually. So depending on the phone case that I'm having for that day, this color changes as well. And this thing can also act as a stand in portrait or in landscape, which is really handy, especially when I'm waiting and I want to watch a movie or catch some YouTube videos. This thing is great. And it also acts as a little grip, like you slide your finger through that hole and then you're good to go. So that is everything inside my Bellroy sling bag. Now, judging from what you've just seen, I'm pretty sure you can guess what my interests are and what kind of personality that I might have. If you've guessed photographer or a pretty calm, chill person, you guessed right. If you thought anything else other than that, you are so wrong. So wrong. Everybody carries unique items with them. It might not be so unique to us, but it is unique to them because of the story that they have behind those items. Suffice it to say, but case in point, again, I mentioned that I have this bag gifted to me by my very close friend. And this badge, this pin with Kylo Ren on it because of my love for Star Wars. Two things that I have very deep connection and deep story behind that item. You know, everyone has a unique story to the items that they carry. It might be replaceable, but some might not be. So what are some of your items that you carry with you that are irreplaceable, that has a story behind it? If you're willing to share, leave your answers in the comment section down below. I want to thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and all the products that I've mentioned will be linked down in the description below if I can find it. If not, I will clearly note it saying that it's not available. So thanks again for watching this video, and until next time guys, peace.